such a cool sample. Dr. Dre sample Labi Saffre. I don't know how you say it. Labi Saffre. Labi Saffre. Probably something like that. On My Name is Eminem. So here's how you do it. The bass line is E to F on the 6th string, E to F, F sharp to G, A to B flat, B double flat, otherwise known as A, to A flat. 2. So cool. Sorry. Open to 1, 2 to 3, 5 to 6, 5 to 4. 0 to 1, 2 to 3, 5 to 6, 5 to 4. Okay, so then it's just built around a bunch of double stops. It's basically like F, G major, B flat, A flat. And you're doing double stops 1 to 2 on the 3rd string, and then playing on the 1st string. And then you do the same thing from 3 to 4 to the 3rd on the 1st string. And then same thing, but now from 6 to 7 on the 3rd string. And then 6 on the 1st string. And then, this is how I do this. This is actually a piano lick, so I had to figure out my own fingering for this, but so that when I come back to loop the lick around, I actually play this on the 4th and 2nd strings. So that last lick is slide from 4 to 5, then 6 on the 4th string, and then to 7 on the 2nd string, back to the 4th string at 6, and then 6 on the 2nd string, pull off to the 4th fret on the 2nd string, and then 5th fret on the 3rd string. I'll do that again. And then you're right in position to slide from 6 to 7 on the 4th string for that first stop. So if you play it.